All right, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo for the Audio-Technica M20xBT truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So in today's video, I'm going to take everyone through a fitting demonstration, and then I'm going to do two audio sample tests to the best of my ability. The first test is going to be a leakage test, and the second test is going to be an audio sample to the best of my ability. Also, I'm going to let you guys and gals know how I feel about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these headphones, and I'll be sure to reiterate this again in the full review. All right, let me do some quick housekeeping, and then we're going to dive directly into this video. So recording the video here today, I am using the front and the rear facing cameras on the iPhone 15 Plus. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 fps, and we do have Bluetooth Professional wireless audio hooked up today. Okay, just so everyone knows how today's video is set up. Also, if this video piques your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can see more coverage on these headphones right here, or where you guys and gals can pick up these headphones at some really great prices, all the affiliate links and the extended coverage on these headphones will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And as the name implies, down below in the video description will contain affiliate buy links. If you make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. All right, so that makes the affiliate buy links a one-stop shop for everyone and a win-win for everyone. Okay. All right, housekeeping done. Let's dive into today's video. So starting off here, the first thing I want to show everyone is the overall fit. All right, now these headphones I have adjusted to my most comfortable fit. Okay, and this is what they look like from a front profile here. So straight on. All right, now if I turn to my left and give y'all a shot of the right ear cup here, you can see it's clean. All right. Now if I turn to my right and give y'all a shot of the left air cup here, you can see this is where all the magic happens. The buttons, the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the USB Type-C charging port all on the left air cup. And I gotta say, that right there took a little bit of getting used to because I'm right-handed. So I'm used to having everything here. So it's kind of a big adjustment to have everything here. I'm still not quite used to it, and I've been using these headphones for months, and I'm still not quite used to it. So that was the first big adjustment I had to do with these headphones. But moving on, talking about the fit, the overall fit and feel of these headphones, in my opinion, is top notch. Now, for what I use them for, casual usage and video editing, they work pretty much perfectly. So in terms of the fit, again, I would have to say it's overall been top notch. All right, so now let's get into the audio sample testing here. And the first test I have for everyone is a leakage test. Now for reference, I'm using a good friend of mine's music. I'm going to go ahead and have the B-roll for this thrown up in post. Thank you, Two Phones, for letting me use your music in my videos, bro. I really do appreciate it. I have all the links to his channel as to where you can check out his content and his music down below in the video description. Check him out. Give him a subscribe. Give him a follow. That would be greatly appreciated. But I'll have all the B-roll showing y'all the connectivity and the volume set thrown up in post. Okay, but let's go ahead and set this to max volume. Okay, so it's maxed out. And now let's go ahead and push play. And for reference, y'all can see my clip-on wireless microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth, which is less than a foot away from the headphones. So any and all leakage that come off of the headphones should easily be able to get picked up by the microphone. Let's see how it goes. I won't be able to tell till I watch the video back in post, but let's see how it goes. Let me go ahead and push play, and give y'all the first audio sample now, the leakage test. Here we go. There we go. Okay, that should do it. Let me pause it here. Sorry about that. Had a slight technical difficulty there, but we're not going to edit that out. But yeah, hopefully my microphones did a good job of picking up the audio coming off of the headphones in that leakage test. But ideally, what we would want is for it to be completely isolated. So I'll see how it was when I watch the video back in post. But y'all let me know how the headphones did and how my mics did down below in the comments. Anywho's, now I'm going to, let me fast forward the track just a little bit to where the beat drops. Yep. And let me push play and hold the headphones up to the microphone and give y'all an audio sample. And then I'm going to come back and let you guys and gals know how I feel about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these headphones. And then we'll wrap the video up. So let me go ahead and push play now. Let's go. Hold these up. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all 10 more seconds. Okay, that should do it. Put these back on. Let's pause. Alright, so real quick leakage test, real quick sound sample to the best of my ability. Now, how do I feel about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these headphones? Well, overall, I would have to say in my testing with my usage so far, not just including this video, I would have to say the overall sound quality on these is top notch. There is literally no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum, so top notch overall sound quality in my opinion. Next, talking about the overall volume, these headphones get more than loud enough for me to drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in whatever I'm doing with them. So the overall volume of these headphones, in my opinion, is top notch. And for what I use them for, which is basically video editing and casual usage, this is the exact type of volume I would like to see out of a pair of headphones like this. Now, let's talk about the all-important bass. And as I always say, I'm no audio professional. I'm just a self-proclaimed tech junkie and lover of all things bass. And I would have to say this is the weaker point of these headphones. Overall, in my testing, I have to say the overall bass on these is really soft. Really soft. There's like no punch, there's no grit, it's not there. But what I feel is these headphones emphasize space. Everything feels very spacious. There's very nice separation between the different instruments. The clarity as well is top notch. So I don't really think these headphones emphasize the bass aspects of music or things in general. I think they go for a more spacey feel and a really nice separation and, you know, really nice clarity and crisp volume overall. But that is a weak point of these headphones. The bass definitely does need to be improved. So overall, I would have to say the bass on these is just okay. I can't even say good because there's literally no bass in here. It's super soft. So I just have to say it's okay. It definitely needs some improvements. So taking into consideration all the categories, everything takes a bump down because the bass bumped everything down. So the overall sound quality is really good. The overall volume is really good. And then the overall bass is good. Okay? Alright everyone, so that does it for today's video. Once again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.